And a group of students rallied tonight for another cause. They want styrofoam banned. About 50 demonstrators from Baltimore Beyond Plastic gathered in front of City Hall to send out a message. They're raising awareness about the dangers of styrofoam. The group is calling on lawmakers to vote on the House Bill 229 Monday. It would prohibit the use of expanded polystyrene food packaging statewide.
It's one of our more toxic forms of trash. It contains suspected and known carcinogens that leach into hot food when it's used to serve food. And it's used all over Baltimore, from Lexington Market to in every one of our schools every day for lunch.
Beyond Baltimore Plastic is a youth-led project funded by the Baltimore Community Foundation and has worked in partnership with Trash Free Maryland, Blue Water Baltimore, as well as the Waterfront Partnership.